It is often normal to have not enough footage while you're editing out videos. So in order to work around that problem, what you can do is you can extend out the frame, that is keep still frame after the video gets over as well. Let's take an example. So I'm just going to move this around onto the side, every clip's onto the side, and let us work around with the intro video right here. So there I have my intro video just like this, as you can see. Let me just scale that around. And here, this is my video. So this is right around 9 seconds and 29 frames. So it is exactly 10 seconds long. But let's say I want more video even after this. So what I can do is I can extend the frame option. So what the extend frame option does is takes the last frame of the footage and extends it out so that it goes beyond the existing 10 seconds for this particular video clip. So let us just do that by selecting this video clip and by going into modify. And once I do that, I have an option to extend frame. So once I do that, I get this option, as you can see. So I can increase out, let's say 10 extra seconds, just like that, and press OK. So what happens is that you can see that this big chunk has been added out. So here's my animated TutorTube logo, just like this. And after that, the end frame has been extended till extra 10 seconds, just like that. So now I got enough room to work around with different things, as you can see right here. So you can also do this around with the recordings, of course. So you want to extend this around, you simply go over here onto modify, click on extend frame, and let's say I want to increase this around to 5 extra frames, just like this. And that is how it works around. You got extra frames to work around with, and that will make things a lot more easier. And that is how you can use the extend frame option inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.